Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to start lesson 19 Map and Monuments of India. In this chapter, we are going to know about political map of India and some monuments of our country. Children, you know that we live in India. Let's start with directions. We have four directions which is universal. In India map, on the top is north direction, bottom is south direction, to the right is east direction and to the left is west direction. This is the picture of political map of India. It shows states and union territories of India along with their capital city. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Now, what is the capital of India? Yes, New Delhi is the capital of India. Children, do you know in which state of India Ambala is located? Yes, Ambala is in Haryana. We live in Haryana state. The largest state of India is Rajasthan. It has 3,42,239 square kilometer area. Let us learn about monuments. Monuments are buildings, temples, statues, etc., which are built to remember a famous person or an event. So, in India, more than 500 monuments are there. Today, we are going to discuss about 4 monuments. I hope you must have visited one of them. This is Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of India lives here. It is in New Delhi. The construction of this building was completed in 1929 and it took 17 years to complete it. Now children, look at the picture. It is called the Gateway of India. It is located in Mumbai. It is an arch monument built during the 20th century. This monument has also been referred to as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai and it is the city's top tourist attraction. Now look at the picture. It is Red Fort. This fort was built by Mughal emperor. It is in Delhi. Every year on Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort and addresses to the nation. This is Taj Mahal. This monument was built by Mughal emperor. It is in Agra, located near the bank of Yamuna. Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Children, Taj Mahal is famous for its own beauty and it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Children, these monuments reflect the rich past and culture of our country. So, we should take care and preserve these monuments. Children, these monuments are our country's heritage. To save our heritage, we should respect all monuments which are a part of our country's heritage. We should not scribble, deface, or encroach upon any monument. We should help to conserve and preserve our monuments. Now, children, let us recall the important points. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of India. President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. We should help to conserve and preserve our monuments.